Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to give you my top 3 SEO tips of 2017. So let's get straight into it. SEO tip 1. Collaborate with other websites. For example, make YouTube videos, make an online course, or make a blog. As you can see, if you type Video Maker FX complete course in Google, I have the first, third and fourth organic search results. So make sure that you use another site to help you rank higher in search engines. SEO tip 2. You need an old domain name. For example, if you are launching a new blog every 6 months, you will never get ranked high or get the amount of attention that your site deserves. If you go to flipper.com and look for a domain on there that is quite old, ideally 1 to 5 years or more, you'll have a better chance of ranking higher as search engines trust older domains more. Or you can just buy multiple domains at once at namecheap.com or wherever you like to buy domains and just leave them to age for a few years. SEO tip 3. Keywords, keywords, keywords. What am I saying? You need to use keywords in everything that you can. For example, you should use keywords in all of the images that you upload to the site. You should have keywords in your domain name, keywords in the title and the content of every page, and most importantly, your website or blog should be focused around one set of keywords that are relevant to each other. They are my top 3 SEO tips of 2017. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Goodbye!